G'day guys, how are we? In this video, we're going to be doing something that I reckon is going to completely change this car. Like, make it completely different. I reckon it's going to make it look so good. It's going to make it look so much more aggressive. And I'm just going to tell you what it is. We're changing the front headlights. So, we're not exactly changing them, but we're modifying them. So these are the headlights currently. They're not good. Look at them. They're all crappy and really bad, actually. I'm going to go ahead and pretty much change the whole look. I've bought myself some covers because with the E46s, the front covers actually come off. So you don't need to sit there with a sandpaper and sand it all back and make it look all perfect and then clear coat and all that. No, you just buy new covers. That's like, oh, that's so good. I'm so excited about that. What we're also going to be doing is we're going to be installing halo lights and we're going to be blacking out the inside of them. So I'm super stoked for this. I reckon it's going to look really good in the end. I'm going to shut up and let's go at the back. I've got an extra pair of headlights, which we're going to do this on because I don't want to muck around with no headlights on this car. I still want it to kind of look somewhat respectable out the front of my house because currently we have no backyard. So I do want to leave these headlights on there, but that's fine because we get a second set. So let's go at the back and get started on this because this is really exciting. So let's go. All right, so we're at the back now and I'm going to show you guys my little secret stash of parts. So here we have the beautiful E46 headlight, and this is the headlight that we're going to be doing stuff to. The other one is just down there, and we've also got the blinker on this one as well, which works perfectly. Half of it has already been blacked out, so even better. So let's get these onto the bench and get started. Alright, so these here are the two headlights that we're working with. Basically with these, like I said earlier, these lenses here actually come out, and as far as I know, I just have to unclip this one here and unclip this one and it should pull out. I don't really know yet, actually. I haven't really tried it. Let's go ahead and get these off, and then from there we can figure out what the hell we're gonna do. So let's go. Alright, so I've decided to scrap trying to take this off because these are glued hard on, and someone's definitely done some stuff aftermarket because these are like properly glued on. So we're not going to use that anymore. So I've gone and got the ones that are currently on the car off because the lenses are already gone. I went and took the lenses off so I could use it on them, but I guess we're just going to use the ones that came off the car. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take all the bulbs out of these blinkers and also out of these ones here. We're going to scratch them down and then we're going to paint the whole inside of it in a gloss black. Let's go ahead and do that right now. And then we're probably going to have to wait a little while for it to dry. But it should look really, really good when it's done. So let's go scratch these up and paint them. And I'm pretty excited for that because I reckon it's going to look really, really cool. So let's go. Alright, so it's the next day now and all of the headlights have dried. They've actually came out really nice. So obviously they're completely dry now and it's all black and everything. It is actually a half decent paint job. It's pretty glossy as well. Like, I would say it's more of a satin finish. But honestly, that's pretty much what I'm after. I'm not really after a massive glossy finish because that kind of, it'll project just like chrome. But I'm pretty happy with the satin type look. I reckon it's going to look really, really nice on it actually. We've got the blinkers as well. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is we've got these little angel lights just here. So these are the angel lights right here. They come in like a pack. They've got this, I have no clue what the hell this is. What is it? A inverter. And then we've also got obviously the actual angel eyes, and they come with these little clips just here. So we're going to go ahead and figure out how the hell these go on. I'd imagine that we put these clips here over that little bar just here. And then we can clip onto the top of there or something. I'm not exactly sure, to be honest. Oh, here we go. We'll clip it onto there, my guess. So let's go and figure that out. So I'm going to put you guys down and we're going to clip it on and see if we need to put any glue or something on it. But yeah, so let's put these angel lights on. I'm actually really stoked for these. I think they're going to look dope. Alright, so I think the way that these work here is these little clips here, like I said earlier, I believe these clip onto this to get that to work, I guess I just spread this open and chuck it on. Is that what happens? So with these clips here, you want those little dials there. You want them on the top of this, if that makes sense. So we're going to go ahead and put it on this way, because then on here, they've got a little lip on here that we can stick it onto, and that should be good. So let's go ahead and do that now. So, we've got to finish the halos, and I personally think they look really good. Like, they actually look really mean, which is really cool. So, what we're going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to glue them on, because they're kind of held on by these little clips here, and they don't really do it for me. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get some epoxy, and then I'll get a little dabble, and I'll put it all across this clip here, and then that should glue that in spot, and it will never come out. Fingers crossed. So let's go ahead and do that now, and then after that we can put the clear caps over the top, and it's going to look so good, I reckon. Alright, so now that I've gone and also finished putting this halo on, which also looks awesome, what we can go ahead and do now is put the clear lenses on. So, I've gone and bought some clear lenses, again, from eBay, and they were like 60 bucks. So, these are the bad boys right here. So let's go ahead and open these and see what they look like. Hopefully they fit. Oh, wicked. They're so nice. Yeah, that's awesome. As you guys can see, they are extremely clear. They're actually really, really nice, which is awesome. 50 bucks, that's a good win right there. So, let's go ahead and chuck these bad boys on them. Let's do that right now. These headlights look insane. Like, they look so good. Look at them. I can't believe they've turned out that good. It's cost me like not even 100 bucks, and they look like that. I can't believe that. It's gonna be such a massive upgrade for the car. Like, the car right now, the front lights is what lets the front down, and now this is gonna make the front look a whole lot better. That's so cool. They're gonna look awesome on the car. All right, so we've just got out the front of the house, and everything is glued together. We're all ready to go. We're ready to chuck them in. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to lift up the hood. We're going to take out the old headlights, which are literally just kind of sitting in there, and then we can chuck these new ones in. Now, the old ones should have all the bulbs and everything that we need. Then we'll just chuck it in with the bulbs and everything. We'll chuck it in, and we'll see how it looks, and then we just have to wire it up, which should be really, really easy, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So let's go ahead and lift up the hood, take the lights out, put these in, and see how they look without the lights on. So let's go. This looks so good. What the hell? That looks so much better than what it did. That's insane. I'm gonna put the hood down real quick because I want to see what it looks like. I thought I'd put you guys down to this level for a second because you can seriously see how much of a difference that looks to this. Like, that is insane. That one looks so good. So let's go ahead and install it on this side because that's wicked. That is seriously crazy. That looks so cool. Alright, let's go. Let's install this one. Alright, so we've gone and put both the headlights on, and it looks wicked. Now, a few of you guys are probably screaming at me through the screen. I did forget to put these in, so let's quickly put these in now, and then we're going to shut it and see what it looks like. Holy crap, that makes it look a lot better. So I'm very thankful that I realised I forgot that, because, yeah, that looks so much better now. Hell yeah. Alright, let's do the other side. You guys are going to see the finished product the next clip, so I'm really excited for this. So, cue the B-roll. Alright, so from that B-roll, you can see how good it looks. I'm actually stoked. I can't stop smiling. Oh, that looks so good. And it makes it look so much better with that little plastic part that we put in just then. Oh, dude, I'm actually seriously stoked. That is crazy. For the guys that are wondering how the hell I got these little LEDs to work, I'm going to quickly open up the hood and show you guys exactly how I did it. It is the most simple thing in the world. All they are is that little resistor that I showed you guys at the start of the video. It's turned into these little red and black cables. All I did was connect it to the Parkers that go into that little hole there that we fed it into. Just plug the black into the brown and the red into the black. Because BMW is really weird and brown is their negative and black is their positive. It literally just plugs in there. They got little clips on them from when you get them, and they just plug straight into that and it works perfectly, as you guys can see. Like, holy hell, these things look good. Like, they look awesome. All we need to do, we just need to make the alignment a bit better here. As you guys can see, there's a bit of a gap there. That's so easy to fix. All I have to do is just press it. So next video is most likely, I'm not going to promise anything because again, it's day by day, so who knows what time I'm going to get home from work. But I'm hoping next video, we're going to have all of the eyelids, the bumper run properly, just everything's completely dialed in. The car's going to look wicked. It's going to be actually look more done as such. So yeah, it's going to be really, really cool. Hell yeah. Look how good it looks. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, because a lot of you guys that watch these videos aren't subscribed, and I would appreciate massively if you guys subscribe, because this daily vlog thing, it is hard. When I get back to not having to upload every single day, I've learned a lot more management skills, which means I can actually try and make some really, really cool videos. So yeah, so I appreciate you guys that are watching all the way to the end, and I shall see you guys next video. See you then.